guys, my name is Tim Nedow. I'm a Canadian shot putter and proud Burnbrae Farms athlete. Today I'll kind of go through a typical breakfast for me, which I have every morning before I go off and do my throwing session. So it starts off with my Burnbrae Farm Simply Egg Whites. I have about 15 egg whites. That is just my liquid. I don't add anything else to it. I like the texture of the eggs in my smoothie. And then I have about a cup of berries, 1 scoop of whey protein, a banana, about a teaspoon or two of peanut butter, a half a cup of oatmeal, and some spinach. And most of it I'm just eyeballing, but I definitely maintain about 15 egg whites as the base of my smoothie. So let's put this together and blend it up. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna add my 15 egg whites, about half of this carton in. Some berries, like I said, around a cup of berries, eyeballing. 1 banana. One or two pretty big scoops of peanut butter. Chocolate whey protein. A handful of spinach. And about half a cup of eggs. And that looks pretty good. Now we'll blend it up. All right, it's all blended up. I'm gonna enjoy this, and now I'll be ready for my training session.